67?
67.
And we're on our way to Baloy Beach.
Ano yun? Baka lahat kami magdadala nito. Marami na.
We crossed over from San Isidro to Santo Tomas.
Tignan mo lang yun nandito. Maganda.
And now we are entering the sawmill. There's a checkpoint right here, military checkpoint, or police checkpoint. And now we're going to be entering Baloy, Long Beach. So when I first came to the Philippines, the first time I stayed in this place right here, Subisa. It used to be called something else, but that's the same place where we stayed. usually cut through there, but I'm gonna go this way instead this time.
Diyan mo daw siya papunta dun.
But the next time, if I do that in the morning, it's good, but it's too hot. Thank you. Leo Kuya, go up those rocks and see if there's anybody over in the little beach on the by the rock, and let us know. You don't have to come back down. Just go like this. Look. Go like this. There's a lot of people. Go like this.
Iniwan mo yung tapat. Ate Koy. Ate Koy.
Look. You say you're going with them? The tumbler sa ito ko. The tumbler.
There he is. He's so clip in there. Look, go down here, come back here, huh? It's dangerous. It's not. If you sleep in there, you think you're gonna look at the. You see if you're gonna fall there with the rock.
Yeah. I'm going down. Give me space.
Look.
Yeah, and you're gonna go there. Let's go. Go back down.
This is our view right here. Nice view.
Tell them where everything is. Barrio Barreto's over there.
There's a castle there, white castle. Let's go check it out. There's a lot of rock right here. Oh, look at the kid, he's already swimming right there. There. And look at this Danny.
I like this place.
Look, he's gonna go up there. He's gonna go check the other side of the this mountain, these hills. Hey, wait!
Well, look how high we are. Look down there.
Wow. Wait, it's not recording.
Do it again.
Okay.
Tell them.
Oh, look at the what's
doves.
that? Doves. They fly. And also there's a hotel right there.
Which is part of Baloy Beach, Baloy Long Beach.
Uh-huh.
And to the right where the big hotel is, that's Barrio Barreto.
And this is Olongapo.
That'll be a longer port that way, and the military base.
And then the mountain that we climb is around there, that one there. That one. You know, go down there?
No.
Okay. Okay, let's go back there. Wait, let me have a drink, Han. This is my drink, okay? Okay, can you hold it now, Han?
See if you could zoom in on the kids from here.
From here?
Yeah, they're all the way, they're down there swimming.
Yeah, right there. It's already zoom in.
Hello guys! Hello guys!
Where this is not the one we went to walk. No, not that one either. That's pretty steep, and be careful.
Okay, I got it. There's like little steps there. You be careful with that camera.
I'm good.
I'm going to be focused on the video, then you might misstep.
Look at him.
Pretty steep. You're gonna mess around, step on something sharp, and you're gonna hurt your feet.
Yeah, what do you want? I'd rather step something sharp than falling down there and the big rock. Okay, now I can.
Come, I'll give you a... crazy girl. What if you slip?
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Yeah, well, you holding me like that, it's not gonna make me careful.
Look at him, look at him. Look at the rock. If they are wet, they're slippery. And that's crazy guy right there. He don't listen sometimes. He just go wherever he wants. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Hi, Han! Ay, nako. Slowly. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Stand up. Take a sip, Han. Drink a little. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Then walk. There you go. You're almost there. Finally. Good job. Look at the kids. Hey, my drinks. Wait, wait. Splash the water. Splashing. There he is. There he is. Dun, 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 dun. Look at the other group right there. You cannot swim. These two. Let me check the guy there. If he's behaving. He's right there. He's right there. There he is. He's like a kid. Look, look. He's playing with a kid. Look.
Oh, so refreshing. Good, good. Hey, don't throw water at her. Don't throw water.
Hi.
You cannot get the camera wet. This is life. This is good. Very nice.
Wow, you're floating. Come here, come here, come. Come here.
Careful with the lungs.
Come here. Come here. It's not moving. Hurry up. Closer. Closer. Ooh, si Wavy. Bye. Bye.